Bridges, buildings, trees and tunnels. There's also a kiln that's very close when we pull off as well. Remember to duck your heads when you do get off and on the train. The roof is very low, very hard, and keep your gates closed at all times, please. I'll give you a commentary on the way up. We'll have a 10-minute break at the top. So get your cameras ready, sit back, relax and enjoy. Thank you. Welcome again everyone to Driving Creek Railway. This is the first of our viaducts we're crossing, the first of 10 on our journey today. The railway and the pottery and the 60 acres of land are all owned by Barry Brickell. All the brick and artwork, all handmade at the pottery. Now we normally have a stunning view across a Haraki Gulf, not today.
Doufám, že to trefí na ten můstek, ale bych padal z té skály v tom vagónu.
No to nebylo dobrý.
Je, ale ta věž je dobrá, hele.
Vidí sluníčko, co naděláte? Vy jste nějaký
ale tamhle je dírka. Tamhle je dírka.
Schovej tu ruku, nebo tě urazí.
Natoč to. Co myslíš, že dělám?